So we have multiple problems here. This is the amount of water pressure that I'm receiving. Eventually, this is going to be installed into this water heaters to get water for the little cabin over here. And on top of that, I also noticed that this is smell in the water. I'm pretty sure there's sediments and other contaminants. So we're going to solve that problem. Okay, so this is my solution. This is the main well pump system. Actually goes through these pipes and comes out of that 3/4 inch and goes up into a 50 micron sediment filter. This is a 5 micron sediment filter, and here is a carbon filter. Then it goes straight into this check valve to prevent water from going back into the system. And here, this is the shallow well pump. There's 2 tanks here. The original tank that came with the shallow well pump was trash. This one did not pressurize, so I needed to bypass that and got this 7-gallon one. So this is more of an upgrade from that one. I think this is a 5-gallon and this is a 7-gallon. So after the pump, this pressure gauge, and from there it goes all the way straight to the cabin. That's about 230 feet from this specific location, and then going up maybe 10, 12 feet. So that's my system here. Right now, the system is running, the pump is running. So every time the tank empties out, the pump's gonna start. And this is the current pressure right now. Once that pressure goes down to 20 psi, the pump will start going back up, and then it goes back to 50 psi. So this is the current amount of water pressure that I'm getting, and this is a huge difference compared to the original one. So this will definitely work with my system. Another thing, the water is super clean. There's no smell, and I would definitely feel safe to shower with this water. So there you go, another problem solved. Until the next time.